G'day folks, Scott from Wurth, here today to talk to you about torque wrenches. We have some new additions to our range in the space of torque wrenches. We have some 1/4 inch, some 3/8 and some 1/2 inch drive tools for you. So let's dive right in and let's have a look at them. So we'll start with our baby of the range, our 1/4 inch torque wrench. 1/4 inch drive. It's rated from 4 to 20 Newton meters, but it also has foot-pounds on it as well. So it's a dual scale on this particular tool. So 4 to 20 NMs or 40 to 180 inch-pounds of torque. So with this tool, at the back end of it, you have a little switch that you flick up. Now you set your torque setting on the scale with this knob, lock it back in, and you're ready to go. Now when you're applying torque to whatever it is you're using it on, when you get to the required torque setting, there's an audible click and you will feel the head of the torque wrench move like that. So not only is it audible, but it's a tactile feel that you've reached the appropriate torque setting. So that's our 1/4 inch torque wrench. This is good for 12 months and there is a certificate that comes in the box with the tool. It's got some information on there about the tool, but we recommend that you recalibrate this tool every 12 months. So we offer that service for you. You can send it back to us, talk to your sales rep, get it sent back to us. We offer that service. It's not free, but we can do that for you in-house. So that's what we do for you with the 1/4 inch. So that's that particular one. Now we start stepping up into our larger sizes. Now this is our 3/8. Again, this is a 20 to 100 Newton meters, or I believe it's 15 to 73 foot-pounds. This one can be used for right and left hand threads. It has what we call a push-through drive. So the direction of torque application is on the top of the tool by the arrow that you can see on there. But if you push the square drive through, you can turn it over and you can start doing your left-hand threads, because as you can see, you're moving it in the correct direction of travel for that torque application, but it gives you the versatility of right and left-hand threads. Unlike the 1/4 inch, the 3/8 and his bigger brother, the 1/2 inch drive, are set and forget. So if you're in an assembly situation where you're doing a lot of torque applications, you could set this to a particular torque setting, lock it, and then just away you go. So with the 3/8, you've got your 20 to 100 NMs and his bigger brother. Now we have 3 different versions of the 1/2 inch. So we have the 20 to 100, which is new for us. We didn't have that in the previous range, but we also have our 40 to 200 NMs and our 60 to 300 NMs. So you really are covered for all your torque applications that you want to use them for. 2-component handle, so if you get a bit slick, a bit of oil on your hands, you're still going to have good grip. It's a good firm handle on it, so it's a good application of torque when you're using it. Now these, over our previous version, our 3/8 and our 1/2 inch, are longer than our previous torque wrenches that we have in our range. Now what does that mean for you? It means you can get a better torque application and a better feel when you're using this tool. But both our 3/8 and our 1/2 inch now have a slightly reduced head for access to, or for better access to, confined spaces. So the 1/2 inch drive has been shortened a little bit and the head height has been reduced a little bit. So you've got better fitting in a confined area. Still, the 1/2 inch drive is the push through 1/2 inch. As well as that, all of our range now comes in our new plastic, recycled plastic housings. So that just keeps the dirt and the crud and all that sort of stuff out of your tool when you drop it into your toolbox or into your tool chest or what have you. And it's a locking function on it, so you turn the housing and you lock it in and then you twist it to rip it back out. But yeah, just a fantastic product. And also remember, our Tax Time Tool sale that we're having coming to the end of the financial year. So if you want to buy these or any other tools, you know, before the financial year ends, that's where you want to be. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And remember, Wurth torque wrenches are ready for work.